take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale calm and exhale tension. With each breath, your body begins to soften. Notice the weight of your body where it rests. You don't need to change anything. Simply allow. As I speak, your subconscious mind listens effortlessly, absorbing only what is helpful, safe, and healing for you. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm wave of relaxation gently flowing downward. It relaxes your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Your shoulders begin to drop, releasing burdens you've carried for too long. Your chest softens. Your breathing becomes smooth and natural. Your abdomen relaxes. Hips, legs, feet, your entire nervous system is now receiving a message. You are safe. In a moment, I'll count from 10 down to 1. With each number, you drift deeper into a peaceful, healing state. 10. Letting go. 9. Deeper still. 8. Your mind becomes quiet. 7. Emotional walls gently soften. 6. Supported. Grounded. 5. Halfway there. 4. Inner awareness opens. 3. Calm and centered. 2. Deeply relaxed. 1. Completely at peace. Now imagine a safe inner space. This place feels calm, gentle, familiar. In this space, you are not required to be strong. You are allowed to rest. If there are emotions you've been holding, sadness, fear, grief, disappointment, you don't need to relive them. Simply notice them, like clouds passing through the sky. Your subconscious understands how to heal without overwhelm. Imagine placing emotional burdens into a soft stream of light. Each burden dissolves naturally, without force, without judgment. Your mind learns a new pattern now. Peace can exist without struggle. You may notice warmth in your chest or a sense of lightness. That is emotional integration taking place. From this moment forward, your nervous system responds with calm instead of tension. You feel emotionally safe within yourself. Inner peace becomes your natural state. You release what no longer serves you. You trust your ability to heal. Repeat silently after me, or simply listen. I am safe within myself. I allow peace to replace emotional pain. My mind and heart are healing naturally. I deserve calm, balance, and inner harmony. Each word settles gently into your subconscious. You may now drift even deeper, or simply rest in this calm awareness. Your subconscious continues healing long after the session ends. Inner peace becomes familiar, effortless, natural. If you are listening before sleep, you may allow yourself to drift into deep, restorative rest. If you wish to return awake, I will count from 1 to 5. 1, slowly returning. 2, bringing calm with you. 3, gentle awareness. 4, refreshed and grounded. 5, eyes open, peaceful and clear. You have done meaningful emotional work today. Healing is not something you force, it is something you allow. Return to this recording whenever your mind or heart needs peace.